It's Saturday, April 11th, and our greens are off to a great start. We plant, as I've mentioned, 3 seeds in each peat pod because each peat pod represents like a plant we want in a specific spot outside. So we don't want any pods without sprouts. And I believe, well, no, I see one outlier. They're all, no, never mind. He does have one sprout coming out there. Yeah, they're all sprouted. So this is looking good. But since we planted 3 seeds in each, we've got too many sprouts in a lot of these. So now I'm going to trim out the excess. Hello everyone. It is April 18th, and it is time to do our big spring planting. Here we've got some seeds that have been soaking overnight. 2 types of beets, Boro and Boldor. And then we've got some peas over here. Got some new netting for our trellises because that's in bad shape. Scissors to trim seedlings, our to-do list for outside. Labels for the square foot beds so we know what we planted where. Our jar of seeds, a marker, the clipboard that's telling us where we need to put everything. And we've prepped the beds, and I'll show you that when we get outside in just a few minutes. So all of the greens that we started are outside here. Kohlrabi and spinach and lettuce, kale and arugula, chard, pak choy. And we're going to tear the mesh off these peat pods and plant them. Okay, so all you have to do is rip the mesh off the outside. And with these more expensive pods, it's really easy. Take the label out. Just put that in the hole. Fill in the dirt. And one of our transplants is done. Only 169 more to go. Okay, it took a lot of work, and the sun has now gone behind the clouds, but our seedlings and the seeds for things like carrots and beets are all planted. I'm not going to go through all these today. Maybe we will in a few days once they are established and start growing, but you can see that we've got quite a few things going here. Every plot has something in it. These are our chives. The big bed here, we filled out the borders with greens. And of course, in the centers of these, we'll plant like tomatoes and peppers and tomatoes. And I don't know what they are exactly, but we're not done because this came in. Sorry about the wind. This came in yesterday. This is a package of dormant raspberry canes. There are 2 types, Boyne and Latham. They're both red raspberries. And we're going to plant 6 of those babies in this bed. So we'll get started on that, and then we'll close everything up, and we'll be finished. All right, it has been a long weekend thus far, building the raspberry bed and planting everything. But we are done. Got the big bed with the greens covered in chicken wire, so it should be safe. And here are 6 raspberry plants. We've got them alternating. First one's Boyne, Latham, Boyne, Latham. And we've got some wire around those to protect the canes. And that is it. We are done. This is what the whole garden looks like now. All right, thank you for watching. Stay safe, and happy spring.